your girl Kristen, aka Jiggy Shorty with the curls. I am trying to put on a SHEIN lace front. So we're just gonna hope for the best. So I'm just doing my makeup in the process, jamming and trying to get out of my funk and laying in my bed. So I was like, let me just use up this SHEIN wig I bought a long time ago and let me try it. I have a bunch of hair stuff because I actually bought this lace front that I'm gonna probably use one day. It's very, very pretty. We're just gonna cross fingers that it looks decent enough to just take pictures in and call it a day. Let's see how this goes. Let's see how my makeup's looking too. You know, it's a process, so just bear with me, okay? Cool. Copy. What you drinking, what you said, bitch, you're such a bad. I'm going for nice to meet you. One of them days we feel like mine. Like this, I'm doing what I want. Little bitch look like Halle Berry. Oh shit! I fucked up the whole party. Sorry. My little bitch look like Halle Berry. It feels scary. And when it comes to like baby, I'm gonna be there in a little while. Ooh, I'm gonna start tired. I change this shit. I'm trying to be a lady. I need your body ways. Bitch, let Chris Brown sing it right now. So I have my lasagna with rice and some of this soda. It's in Spanish. I forgot what it's called. I will put a picture of it because the ones who know. I want to watch some Bel Air. That show, I'm not gonna lie, that show really, it's a really good show. Like for a spin-off, they did their thing. If I look crazy, I'm sorry. Trust the process, okay? Trust the process. I'm gonna lipstick on, but it's probably look chappy and pale. Don't come for makeup in my mouth. This lace is like semi coming together, so like I said, don't come for me. It's not a really good lace, so I mean, I wasn't expecting like top tier. It was on sale. I was just trying to play with it.
Carlton?
Oh!
I need somebody to be in mine.
I really am that girl. I went along and I thought I wasn't gonna eat again. I got me another bowl. Cheers. My makeup coming together, by the way. I'm not gonna lie. For a SHEIN wig, it's straight in with a straightener. Like, I thought it was gonna like crimple as soon as I don't know what I'm doing, by the way. Like, I was gonna make some edges over here. Look at this nonsense that I did over here. Pray for me. Pray for me. But it's straight. I'm about to put it into like a short bob. I'm low-key thinking of bangs, and then I'll put like something on the top. Cause I don't know, cause look at this lace, honey. Look at the, like, I don't know what I'm doing. I should have watched the video. My makeup is tea, by the way. I'm gonna keep cutting it and I want it long. Wait, Kristen, stop. Straight to heaven. It's not giving. It's not giving what it should be giving, right? Girl. Maybe? Yeah? Or should, I don't want to straighten the whole thing. Well, y'all, we had some fun. We had some laughs. It's not bad. I'm just really having fun doing this because I don't want to do it to my actual hair. So, here we are. Moments later after cutting unevenly. Still cute in a way. Because I still kind of like it, but like, I have a headache right now. And I turned the off. I'm like, I'm not doing this anymore. I messed it up a long time ago, but we still managed to make it still look cute. Our makeups look cute. Like, the lips look cute, the gloss looks cute. I could put a hat on. It's still gonna give. I like it. Does it look cute? My mom thought it looked cute. She's like, why you don't go out then? I'm like, where am I going? So I made this bomb ass smoothie earlier before I made my lasagna. I ate the lasagna, but ugh, it was so good. I'm gonna make it again. Frosted Flakes with bananas in it. I've been craving bananas lately. Like, I love bananas. I don't even have cheetah print pajamas, which is crazy in my book. Oh shit, girl, bye. My head is even bigger. I would have to wear it like this. Still beautiful.